Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Medyo Boi. Kung bago ka lang sa akong channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell above so you'll be updated sa itong mga upcoming videos and vlog. We are going to do unboxing. Yes. Unboxing this gift from Newfold, my company, our company. Not my company, but the company kung asa ko nagtrabaho. So this is a gift from Newfold. Mga merchandise ko na siya, guys, sa Newfold. Thank you so much, Newfold, for this gift. Alright, I got my scissors na. We're going to do unboxing. Unboxing sa kaniyang nga box. And then, ay nakabutang diri ang to Platano Rene John. We appreciate your hard work. Thank you for giving 100% every day. Newfold Digital. Okay, so let's gonna go and do the unboxing. Unboxing. Alright, so unbox na. So first is what we got here is, so this is a thermal insulation. Ato na siya, ablihan na ito karang ito. Another one is, tada! Newfold nga mag. Next is, tada na, Newfold t-shirt. Alright, there. Newfold t-shirt. Okay. Then, ang pinakadako, wala na. Ang pinakadako is, tada na. Ang color sa among kuan, guys, among company is orange. Orange shades siya. Alright, very nice. Hoodie. Okay. Reversible daw kung siya, guys, kanay white na white. Reversible na siya, hoodie. Okay, hoodie. Hoodie. And the size is medium. Medium young size. Okay, and I got hoodie. I got the t-shirt and my Newfold. I got the mag and I wore Newfold, and I got the thermal insulation or tumbler nga kana siya. Tumbler nga na word niya Newfold. Alright, so let's try daw. Try daw na ito ang kanisya po. Kanin hoodie, no? Stop na ito. Alright, I'm back, guys. Alright, I'm back, guys. Naka-hoodie na ta. Like that, naka-hoodie na. Hoodie. Naka-hoodie na ta. Alright. Ito na kayo, no? Video. Actually, dako kasi, pero okay, siya. Alright. Okay, so those are our items from Newfold. Thank you so much for the early Christmas. Actually, guys, duga na siya gihatag like a month ago, but this is the only time na na-allocate na to para siya i-open. Just timely po kay Christmas na, and this is the only gift that we do have from Newfold this time because wala mi paham. Alright, so again, we have the tumbler. Pares kayo. And then I got the t-shirt. Okay, and then Wala na sod. Alright, I hope you do enjoy watching this video, this content. And if you're new again to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell above for more updates sa atong mga upcoming videos and content. This has been your friend Medyo Boi. It's not a boy, it's not a girl, it's Medyo Boi. Happy holidays!